Do you feel like your money disappears the moment your salary hits your account? EMIs, credit cards, loans, expenses gone in seconds. You want to save, but life keeps getting in the way. Sounds familiar? Welcome to PennyPowerPro, your ultimate guide to making money work for you. Here we decode personal finance in the simplest way. How to crush EMIs without stress. Smart hacks to save and invest even on a small salary. Real strategies to grow wealth. And secrets to achieve financial freedom faster than you think. Whether it's saving 5,000 a month or building your first 1 crore, this channel shows you exactly how. You'll find long format videos packed with step-by-step strategies, perfect for learning in depth. And short bite-sized videos with quick hacks because your time is valuable. From decoding investments to mastering savings, from handling loans to future-proofing your money, every video is designed for young adults just like you who want control, clarity, and confidence with money. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you're ready to take charge of your financial journey, hit that subscribe button and join the Penny Power Pro community today, because your money deserves better, and so do you. With Penny Power Pro, master your money, unlock your future.